Need to scan several pages into a single PDF using NAPS2. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to scan multiple pages, organize them, and save everything as one document. The process is pretty straightforward, and once you set it up, scanning larger documents becomes much faster. Before you start, make sure your scanner is connected to your computer and powered on. Open NAPS2, then either create a new scan profile or select one you've already configured. This profile stores your preferred scan settings, so you won't have to adjust them every time. Open your scan profile and confirm that the correct scanner is selected. Then choose your paper size, color mode, and scan resolution. Yeah, for most text documents, around 300 dpi gives you clear results without creating unnecessarily large files. Now click OK, then press the scan button to scan your first page. Once it's finished, replace the page in your scanner with the next one and click Scan again. You don't need to create a new document each time. NAPS2 automatically adds every scan page to the same project until you're finished. After scanning all your pages, take a moment to review them. You can drag pages into a different order, rotate any page that's upside down, or delete pages you don't want before saving the final document. When everything looks correct, click Save PDF, choose a location on your computer, give your file a name, and save it. All of your scan pages will be combined into one PDF, making it easy to share, print, or archive. And that's all there is to scanning multiple pages with NAPS2. Once your scan profile is set up, creating multi-page PDFs only takes a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.